Hello dear viewers, in today's tutorial we are going to know about online jobs or career opportunities in English language. The importance of English language for online jobs and career opportunities. Dear all, no doubt that English language is very essential and important, and it is a fact that English is the language of technology. टेक्नोलॉजी जिस लैंग्वेज को समझती है दैट इज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इफ यू वांट टू हैव ऑनलाइन job or career opportunity, or you want to start your own business online, you need to have command over English language. How it will help you? If you want to work for someone else in services industry and you want to provide your services, still you need English language for that. And if you want to sell any of your product on any online platform, you need to know how to communicate to clients to sell your product effectively. For that, you also need to improve your English language. अब दुनिया की रुख online world की तरफ जा रही है. An online world is one of the open market for the people. If you want to sell any product in a specific market, local market, it will have limited customers. But if you are selling the same product on international market, an international platform, obviously you will have maximum customers. Ab maximum customer, maximum profit, but if you want to connect yourself globally, आपने क्या करना है? आपने English language पे focus करना है. Improve your English first. If you want to be a part of eBay, Amazon, freelancing, many other type of online career opportunities and businesses that you can do on these platforms are there. You can give online your services. आप अपने services दे सकते हैं. आप किसी और बंदे का business run कर सकते हैं. आप किसी और बंदे के product sell out कर सकते हैं. Or you can write down review of different product. आप different products की review लिख सकते हैं. You can write the description of different product. I mean, if you improve copywriting or content writing, obviously you will be able to sell your thoughts, to sell your skill of writing. And वो writing किस चीज़ में होगी? Obviously English language में. Because maximum people around the world, they understand this language. That's why it's called global language. Now, because of global language, English language is the language of technology. And technology, if you want to work on technology, obviously you will have more customers, you will have more opportunities, and this is increasing day by day. ये एक हकीकत है. ये हकीकत कि modern technology day by day increase होती जा रही है. Advance होती जा रही है. And because of the advancement in the technology, you need to focus on this language. I'm not saying that only English language is essential for online jobs. We know that it is essential for local career opportunities too. For working in any organization as a professional person, or being a part of academic, if you're a student, if you are any professional person, or if you are lecturer, if you are a part of school, college, university, or you are going to be a part of the same university as a student, as a teacher, and if you are going to be a part of any organization, still you need to improve your English. लेकिन इससे जो है ये हो सकता है कि आप उर्दू में कम्युनिकेट करो, पश्तो में कम्युनिकेट करें, फारसी में कम्युनिकेट करें, फ्रेंच, हिंदी, any other language में आप communicate करें, आप कर सकते हैं. But when it comes to the open and international market, when it comes to the global market, then what happens? Then obviously you need English language for the medium of communication, because that is a language that many people around the world, they understand. Maximum number of people or maximum number of customers sitting there or service people who are acquiring the services and people who are selling the services, they know this language. इसके अलावा आप call center को focus कर सकते हैं. Many students, they don't have job and they want to have job. Call center is one of the best option with you guys. You can improve your English, you can earn money, and you can bring your English to the standard of native speakers because you will be communicating to native speakers. और जब आप native speakers के साथ communicate करेंगे, obviously you will improve yourself. So don't forget to improve English language. Now you will think that how to improve my English language. EngLanGo, my YouTube channel, is helping you to improve English language because I have recorded tutorials on basic grammatical structures, on basic English language learning techniques, on how to learn English without partner, and there are so many other tutorials that how to improve your speaking, how to improve your communication skills in English language. That is one platform where you can learn. You can learn that from any English language class also. You can watch different YouTube channels and you can improve yourself with that. Don't forget that learning from YouTube channel is also very essential, or joining an institution for English language is also very essential. So try to be a part of EngLanGo. Don't forget that our coming tutorials are going to be helpful also. You will also improve from them. And I believe कि आप इंशाल्लाह इस प्लेटफॉर्म से और भी ज़्यादा सीखेंगे. For now, have a great time. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to be a part of our community and improve yourself.